Right. Another check engine light. Volkswagen 2003 Passat 1.8T. Little motor. I'm going to put in this turbo diverter valve. See if this helps. Got some random misfires going on. They're not cool. I already pulled that out. So, diverter valve is on. Bottom left side. Turns out it's pretty easy to get to. There it is right there. There it is. Just like the pictures show on YouTube. And my channel soon too. Alright, so this big high pressure hose, or low pressure hose, it came off. And that helped a lot. So I could get the small hose bound off. And now I'm gonna get it twisted just right. I can get access to that last clip. You gotta pry off with a screwdriver. Not easy. Alright, got the old one out. Put the new one in. The springs have had it. So, be replaced with something adjustable and easy. Oh, there's where it's gonna go, right back. Right back in place. More hoses. What fun. Engines. Tricky one.